Seriously, I need my studio back.
Are you still recording?
Mm-mm.
Liar.
You see anything on over there on your side? There's nothing on over here.
Yeah, actually, over on the edge of the driveway, the heads that are propping up the rotors here.
Okay, so that's zone 1. Go to zone 2 then. Let's just keep going. We'll remember that one.
Not sure that.
Okay, go to zone 3.
Not sure that.
Alright, okay. Go to zone 4. What's the runtime on zone 4? Alright, I think I found the leak. Stand by. Yeah, it's moving very slow. Here, let me flip this over. Have you looked at my toolbox already? All right, go turn on that zone again. Well, you got gloves on. You feel where that leak's coming from. What zone was this? 4?
4, yeah.
All right. Okay, zone 4 is on. Should be leaking pretty good.
Nothing's happening.
As in, there's no zones on?
No, there's no zone on up here.
Okay, how about now?
Now we got it. Yep, separation.
You got separation? Where's it separated? On the secondary pipe?
Yeah, right down here.
Yeah.
On the 90, it's separated going this way on the 90.
Oh, okay. What do we need? 3/4 inch?
No, 1 inch.
That's a 1 inch down there?
Yeah.
1 inch slip fix.
I can get it.
I got it. Just dig it up a little bit. No 1 inch slip fixes. You sure it's 1 inch? I'm not really sure where we got these things.
You definitely pick those up from a Lowe's. That's it.
I better get a pino glue and primer too. I swear these damn phones. Hey Brad, it's me, Jesse. Hey man, I just put an order in with Mr. Moody. Can you just have him add a pint of Christie's hot blue glue and purple primer? Yes. Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Now this is scheduled 40 too.
Oh yeah, that's I don't know.
Okay. Go ahead and clean up the mess and let's get I'll get the locator going.
Yeah, I guess I can pick up trash then.
We're already needing some more gloves.
There's no way. It's only one of them.
Where's the other box then?
Well, we haven't used it. We got it.
No, don't give me that crap. We had a big repair Saturday and that's what we were using. And then your mom was helping us on Sunday.
She wasn't using actual gloves.
Oh, she wasn't.
It's definitely a bummer. $205. Give me your water right here.
Well, I know it's in.
Yeah. There isn't a mess at all.
No, it's in. Alright, let me go turn off the water and get a 205. Oh, I didn't turn off the double check. Or take that with you.
Okay.
Is that all of them?
Yeah, it's all good to go.
Oh.
Just the wire cutters. Splice it up.
Oh. Okay, I'm getting ready to fire it up. You ready? And turn it on and see how it works. It's working good now. All right. And was this the only place where it was leaking?
That we know of, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll get on it.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Well, we got to see where the leak is, dummy.
You didn't mean dummy, right?
Well, I meant every bit of the dumb. But if she's got it off right now,
Yeah.
this. You're not.
Oh, it turned off right there.
You got the 1-inch flow lock?
Oh, no, sorry.
All right. Tool bucket. A tape measure. No, whatever we do, we better hurry up. You got a 1-inch ball valve?
Yeah.
That's not 1 inch.
Oh, good. Put it in the back of the truck, resell it.
Over
We need
the
to
rainbow.
pick up some more of those little guys. Some more of those weird little adapters in there. Another Y strainer. Definitely some more ball valves.
Eagle.